श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi Astral Science. Today let us take couple of calls and see how it goes across. Planets help us, guide us, take care of us. Our job is to take care of them. We are actually living in a rented place. We just come for a short journey here. For this short journey we have been using a user manual, which is the horoscope. During this journey from birth to death, there is a user manual given. That user manual will say everything about the good time, the bad time, the normal time, the up time, down time, fun time, every time. We have to use that manual and take care of our short-term journey on this planet Earth, which is a rented place. We have come here, and it's a short visit for us, for all of us. During this journey, God says to be happy, not to worry about negativity in life, not to betray any of your co-travelers, because they are also traveling. Don't have anything of mindset that everything will be permanent here. During the journey, everybody prefers only one thing, the comfort. Most of the people who are traveling on the planet Earth, because Earth is also rotating, it is also in the motion, entire life is in motion, our blood is in motion, our breath are in motion, the universe is in motion, everything is in motion. The motion stops, gone. Comfort life. Everybody during this journey, travel journey, everybody will be interested to know their comfort time, comfort zone, comforts. They want to have a good journey. In the meantime, after there is a good journey, they expect sophistication in the journey. After sophistication, they get competition, they get into the competition. Okay, he is into so sophisticated, let me also get into that more sophistication. So more materialistic during the travel. Though we know that there is an end for everything, we always launch for the materialistic growth. During this journey, whenever the traveler fails, FAILS, he will have a look back on the user manual. What is this user manual telling? This study of the user manual, very few people have learned this, but many people have put a board that I will also tell your user manual how to use it, where you have gone wrong, what you have not used, what is unused, what has to be reused. Many people are not capable enough to understand others' user manual and tell them how to use. So I am talking about the astrology. I am talking about the horoscope. Today people, rather than seeing horoscope and giving them scope, they are making horoscope. That's the irony we are facing. Horoscope. You have that dosha, you have this dosha, you are having huge problem, your that guy is not good, your this guy is not good, your journey will stop, you may die in between the journey, you will not complete your journey full. The partner who comes with your journey, they will have a big issue. So horoscope, where we have to look our scope, has become a horoscope. So in this Kali Yuga, it is always better to learn our own user manual. To a very larger extent, we will understand how we are traveling, what are the conditions we are traveling into, what conditions we are into. Are we in a AC compartment or a general compartment? Are we in a goods compartment? Or we are at the back with nothing, just at the tail end of the railway? So once we understand our manual, we will also look at the forward. Is our condition going to improve? Can we make arrangements or work for that improvements, or does the status quo remain same, or will I go down from class 1 AC to second class AC or normal general compartment? Will I go down? This is the people life user manual. We cannot change what is there in the user manual, but we can understand it, get prepared, look at life in a very positive way, and within the condition we can try to have comfortness. From a AC compartment, we have come to a normal compartment where there are no sofa beds and it's only a wooden platform. At least with little bit of austerity, with little bit of mantras, with little bit of Rudraksha therapy or some or the other therapy, at least you can get one bed sheet where you can at least put it across and sit there, which feels good at least to the revered conditions. So for this journey, our great Rishis have given a wonderful subject called user manual, which is nothing but individual astrology or Palajyotishyam. People have become more obsessed in telling negativity about a person if he is in problem, not showing the right direction, not showing the way out. They are only telling about the current issue, problematic planet to be pacified. This is the only condition they are looking at. Currently, they are looking at the chart, they are receiving your problem, what you have stated, and correlating to the respective house and just checking whether there are any negative planets like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Reconsider them as the dreaded guy who is making you bad. Ask them to do some puja or homa, spend some more money, and ensure that by this it will go away. No, it cannot go in that way. First of all, people who are talking about this user manual are not reading the correct pages. They are reading some other pages, and the current page is a different page. They don't even look at what kind of page where they have to look and help him out and inform him about the user manual. So it is a very great book, user manual of the individual guy, and each and every not so great so-called astrologers are deviating from the correct interpretation of the user manual. So our institute from past 5 years has made up a very strong vision to create astrologers. To create astrologers in each house, the mission is to teach them in 15 days. So my vision is to create astrologers, true astrologers. I should add this word, true astrologers, where they can read, understand, interpret their own user manual rather than going and showing their user manual to somebody else. Because the entire society is filled with different information. The user manual will be read in different ways. People look at it in different angles. They have different viewpoint. No consolidated, cascaded, right directed interpretation. Concocted, I would like to use this word, concocted readings. Any person can become astrology today. Just have a board, just have a dress. No need to worry about his credential. No need to worry about his background. No need to worry about his real reading skills on the user manual. Just go to him. He is a very strong mind reader, because everybody who goes to a manual instructor reader will be mentally very strong, and they know how to manipulate. They know how to read the lines in between and give a very wrong picture. And as of today, people discard the so-called their own user manual, saying that this user manual is useless. My own user manual is not been read properly, told properly, prescribed properly, interpreted properly, and this is a fake user manual of mine. This is not a user manual. This is what is happening. So a new era has begun to understand each and everybody's user manual by self-study, with experience, with 12,000 plus student experience, guidance, confidence, with crystal clear clarity to know about their user manual. I am continuously using this user manual, nothing but your horoscope. So kindly I suggest you to know your user manual, apply your user manual in a very life which is very short, where we are all traveling, and ensure our travel is comfortable, much safer, much enjoyable, with not much ego, and reach our individual destinations. August 1st I am having the classes. There will be 2 classes. Don't who believe astrology. They are the, I welcome them first. Don't who believe astrology. I don't believe astrology, because all my predictions have gone wrong. Wherever I have gone, I have done lot of pujas, lot of remedy, nothing has worked. Whatever my expectation, nothing has worked. The user manual was not there at all, whatever you expected. The interpretation was wrong. They might have told you that the user manual contains your expectancy. When you exceeded your expectancy, then there is a disbelief. So obviously it's gone. So always in life, whenever we go to check our individual so-called user manual, the horoscope, we have a lot of expectancy. Through that, people make some kind of a interpretation and say that this problem, and if it doesn't happen in the specified time, people at the other end, the other side, say that okay, it's the karma. So that they did not mention earlier, they put it to karma. Then you think, if karma plays everything, why should I go and show my user manual? There are a lot of crisscross debates. Your user manual was not actually showing the condition. that this particular thing is not currently manifesting. So astrology is a very divine science where it is known as in Sanskrit Jyotishyam, where Jyoti means the light, the path ahead using the light, but we are actually not using the light at all. We are just in the path, in darkness. Real astrology learning gives an insight and gives us the path in which area we are strong, which area we have opportunity, which area we have a threat, and which area we are completely weak. The complete SWOT analysis can be known by learning this astral science Nakshatra Nadi in just 15 days. And for your user manual, I'll give you a wonderful app. You can put your user manual, and that user manual itself with a very advanced system by Nakshatra Nadi using Placidus system will predict your future life in all areas. So those who are interested and want to know their user manual how it is, don't lose this opportunity, and try to avoid getting into somebody's hand, showing them your horoscope and believing something over a period of time, disbelieving the subject itself. So it's a very wonderful science, very beautiful science. It has to be applied, that's it. Just apply. Good, don't worry, apply. Bad, don't worry, apply. Definitely you will get a reply through that. Let us take some calls. Namaste.
Namaste. Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
My name is Mr. Basaraj Patil. You are my 84th batch evening batch student, sir.
Oh, great, sir. Tell me.
Sir, regarding my son's marriage.
Yeah, tell me.
His date of birth is 22/12/1992.
22/12/1992,
7:40 a.m.
22/12?
22/12/1992, sir. 7:40 a.m.
Okay.
Bidar, date of place of birth Bidar.
Okay.
Regarding his marriage.
What is showing in the horoscope? You would have checked, no?
Sir, Venus is there. That is why I am asking you, Guruji.
Usually same dasha, same bhukti will not function for some time.
Yeah, that's why I am asking, and he is liking a girl. Her date of birth is also there. Whether she is suitable for him or not.
At this level only I can ensure that. Next after September he is running Sun. So let us go to Venus and see. I think in Ketu the love has triggered.
Sir.
Ketu Dasha because of 5.
Ketu Dasha, sir.
But there is some obstacle because of 6, sir. There is some setback. Somebody will tell no. Either by your side or their side.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is one setback.
Okay.
Let me look at the hit theory of Shukra. Shukra is not hit. There will be little hindrances in the beginning, but he will not have any problem in the married life. He can select that girl. It will be good only, sir. I suggest you agree. Sir. It will happen. But Sun, small fight erupts. Then again, when Moon comes, all will come down. All the issues will come down. So the period between September to November is a very dangerous period. There might be chances of complete cancellation. Very careful time. So go slow. I suggest complete this. Start asking them or going there after November. Okay? After November only. Good luck. Let him wear one zircon. Zircon. Namaste.
Hello, namaste.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I want to ask about my husband.
Tell me, madam.
I want to ask about my husband's job.
Date of birth?
24/11.
24/11.
1987.
1987. Time.
6:20 p.m.
Place of birth.
Halegere,
Which taluk?
Mandya.
Question.
I want to know about his career, job career.
Okay, let me see how is it. Taurus Lagna, Rishabha Lagna, which we call Dhanur Rashi
Yeah.
or Sagittarius Rashi, moon sign
Okay.
with Purvashad Nakshatra. So currently from 2018, a new Dasha has started, which is Rahu Dasha. Rahu is excellent, career is excellent, nothing to worry. There is no issue. But 5-9, he has got a mindset of changing his career frequently. He will get a mindset to change the job frequently. Not happy. That's the only indication. But he will be always in the job. Not to worry. What is the question, madam?
Yeah,
Question.
we are going to shift for Hassan. How is his career? I want to know.
Career is very good, I said, no? Career is very good. Not to worry. Rahu Dasha is very good. He can shift. That's what I am telling. 5-9, 5-9 keeps on changing. Always there is change in his career. Always change. Change.
Okay.
He can shift. It's a comfortable thing. You can, with your closed eyes, you can go ahead. Okay? Nothing to worry. So I suggest to
Okay.
wear one 8-face Rudraksh
Okay.
to index finger. Right hand index finger. Go for yellow sapphire. Lot of good money is making. Excellent life. I don't see any issue. Okay? Good life. Namaste. Namaste. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Namaste.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
My daughter's marriage life, I'd like to know.
Yeah, tell me the date of birth.
1388.
1 March 1988. Time of birth.
1388.
1388 is 1st March 1988. Correct?
Yeah.
Time.
3:25 p.m.
Place of
Chennai.
birth. Place of birth.
Place of birth, Chennai.
So is already married?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see the Dasha condition.
I wanted to speak with Dinesh.
Yeah, I am only speaking, madam. Dinesh Guruji only on the line. Okay?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Shukra Dasha is going across till 2022 Mercury. Shukra has got 2, 7, 11. Mercury has got 1, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8. The conditions after the Surya. So it is actually the marriage life condition is actually deteriorating. There is understanding issue because the next Dasha which is coming is not favorable. And Shukra is getting over by 2024. The fag end of the Dasha is giving lot of obstacles, humiliation, fights, whatever you call. The condition is not good, but there is no detachment. Okay, there is no detachment from the family life, but there is lot of hindrances, obstacles, which is 8th house. So kindly, sorry?
Will it continue the marriage life?
It will continue because your daughter will only not leave. That is the issue. Okay, tell me. I have told as per my horoscope reading. You tell me what is the issue.
I mean, there's some problem is there from the boy side because the parents are making some problem to get it separated.
Okay. Okay.
Can you tell the boy's date of birth also?
No, I have already checked. No, right, madam. I have already checked and told you. Here.
The boy's date of birth is 11th July 1980.
Okay, tell me. Yes, tell me, madam.
Yeah, so when both the horoscope is matching,
There is
can
nothing
can
matching.
you let me know whether it? No, this boy side and the girl side when you are comparing. I wanted
There is
to know
nothing
whether
called compatibility in horoscope matching. There is nothing called compatibility. We have to check the dasha and see the mindset. That's it. If 8th house is hit, she'll be in humiliation. I already told, right? Humiliation, obstacles, right? From the boss side, her in-laws are making all the issue, right? Let me see here. Please tell your son-in-law's detail.
Okay. That is 11 July 1985, 9:17 p.m.
Place of birth.
Place of birth, Bangalore.
Where is your daughter staying currently?
Currently, she is abroad.
Okay. Moon Dasha is completing, then Mars is coming. Let me see. Moon 264949. Mars is coming 3510 211 12. Mars 12 and 4. Whenever there is 4 hit, the love is gone. 5th house ka 4th house. Complete surrender of this person to the mother. He will only act as per the wishes of the mother. That's it.
Okay.
4th house is the house of the mother. He only goes by the direction.
Okay.
Sit means
that's
sit.
what happening.
Get up means get up. Shut up means shut up. Get lost means get lost. That is what he is hearing completely. This is completely a brainwash.
Yeah.
The 5th house is the house of love for one girl. When it goes back, there is loss of love. And 4th house is the influence for the mother. So Moon is coming, who is also the Karaka for mother. But usually this combination, there is no problem in terms of living her. They have a lot of conditions put across to her. Conditions.
Okay.
Can you understand the conditions?
From the whatever the mother says.
Yeah. That condition. Don't sleep next to her.
So,
Sleep away. Leave her away. You sleep in some other room. Don't give more room to her. These are the talks which will be happening internally.
Okay.
This calls for a intervention with your...
So, what is your suggestion, sir?
this suggestion is not good, man. What suggestion I can give? The conditions are like this. When see, this is what is
whether
matching.
The marriage will continue.
This is what is the marriage. Okay, he was running Sun Dasha. 6 is there. Married life is not good. Next, let us go to Moon Dasha. 4 and 4. He will lose interest in the wife. Let us go to Rahu. Rahu also the same 4. Not good. So, the good Dasha is not operating for him. Whenever the good Dasha doesn't happen, that is only the compatibility we have to look in horoscope. It's not that getting 33 points or what kind of combinations we do. Those are all, as I was keep on telling you, people go, they ask, oh, okay, very good horoscope, it has been matched. They'll be living a very happy married life. No. There is obstacles in horoscope. There is loss of love in this horoscope. And the Dasha also is showing very clearly, Sun is not good. So, at least to some extent, before Venus it was there, but they are a young couple. They are recently married, I don't know. What is their age? 35 only. Sun Dasha, they would have married. Not in Shukra Dasha. This retains, this will be like this only, madam.
Yeah.
Mars also will having 4th house. Again 4 there, Mars. If you take here 4. Quite difficult. This has to, she has to take a call. She has to take a decision. But she will not take decision. That is also some irony. Some people will have a combination to take up it as a challenge and live separately. She will be suffering, giving you pain. There is no remedy for this. Only to discuss with her mother-in-law through your intervention and say what is happening in your people life. Ask them to be happy. That's it. Okay. So, okay, let me take a small break and come back. Let us take a few more calls. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir,
Good evening.
I just want to ask about my job.
Yeah, tell me. Date of birth?
25/01/1989.
25/01/19.
89.
Time of birth?
5:15 p.m.
Place of birth?
Dharwad, Karnataka.
Question.
So from 1 year I am facing career gap. So I just want to know when I will get a good job.
One second. Okay. Currently you are in job or what?
No, sir, I lost job. From 1 year I am looking for a good
From
job.
1 year.
But getting only
Display.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
No, I am getting offers for only contractual jobs, sir. That's why I am looking for a good permanent job. That's why.
Okay, you have left a contractual job and looking for a permanent job.
Yeah.
But to get a permanent job, you have to be on the job, right?
Yeah, sir. But I lost job.
Rahu. Okay, he has just started this Rahu 2019 onwards. Okay, Rahu is just started. Rahu is completing. Same Dasha, same Bhukti. Okay, lot of obstacles is there. What is the line you are into?
I am into automobiles, designing.
Automobile designing from Mars Dasha to 6. Mars was good, quite good. Good money, but this is not giving money. Technology. Can you try abroad? Outside, whichever place, your hometown. Go to Delhi, go to Mumbai, go to Hyderabad, go to Chennai.
Okay.
That is the only place where you can excel.
Yeah, sir, I am trying for that, but not getting calls only from the recruiters. That's why.
Okay. See, the current Dasha has just started with this, the Bhukti completing by 2021 November. Jupiter will start placing you because with 11. Just hold on, relax till November. Rahu Dasha will kick you from places to places. Okay?
Okay.
This is a honeymoon time. I am telling you, this is a honeymoon time. Just relax, enjoy your downtime. Be happy, be with your family from November onwards. You will get a job, you will always be on the move. Okay?
Okay.
You have to be in the same line, same designing, whatever. You will be getting a job by November, post November. Within 2022, February, you will be in job. To get a job, good job, kindly wear one coral to your right hand ring finger and one 5-face Rudraksh. And kindly chant one mantra, which I suggest. Okay. Saturn is good. Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha. Unlimited. Kindly chant. Okay. Next. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, namaste.
Sir, I want to know about my mother's date
Mother's
of
what?
birth is, mother's health, sir.
Okay, tell me. Date of birth?
Date of birth is 10/10/1967. 7:15 p.m., sir.
7:15.
7:15 p.m.
Place?
Dodbalapur, sir.
Currently, your mother is running with Jupiter Dasha.
Okay, sir.
2023 tak Venus. Jupiter 4, 9, 12, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8, 12. There is long-term ailment. Jupiter is having
sir.
4, 6. Tell me.
She is diabetic and hypertensive, sir.
Long-term ailment. 1, 4, 6, 8, 12. And the hit theory is showing Still long term with 6 and 8, which is very bad for health.
Okay, sir. Any
Couple of
remedy,
things I will
sir?
suggest her to wear 6-face Rudraksh.
Okay, sir.
There is one seed called mahogany seed. We
Okay,
just
sir.
Google,
Okay, sir.
go for mahogany seed.
Okay,
It is
sir.
available in
And she's
Amazon.
having severe knee pain, sir. It is not going.
Where is Jupiter seed? Any people are talking about, so doctor is telling to have for a surgery?
No, sir. No surgery, nothing. But a little pain. She can't climb the steps only.
What cure can be given? 6 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 8 Mars. Knee pain, Saturn, where is he hit? 12 is it? Okay. Kindly donate gingerly oil. Every
Okay.
Saturday,
Okay.
kindly donate gingerly oil. First thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Ask her to sleep on the floor on Saturdays,
Okay, sir.
not on the cot.
Okay, sir.
She has to sleep below, not using a soft bed, only a normal mat with
Okay.
few bed sheet. That's it. Once every Saturdays she has to sleep in that
Okay.
way. All her body pain will get over, and just on Saturday
Okay,
night she
sir.
can do. And gingerly oil should be donated every Saturday for next 3 months.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
sir.
She has to wear one zircon and wait a second. Screen went off. Wait a second. Zircon, middle finger, and 2-face Rudraksh. She'll get well. And ask her to chant this mantra. Om Kreem Achyuta Ananta Govinda. Om Kreem KREEM Achyuta Ananta Govinda Unlimited. Namaste. Namaste, yeah, tell me.
I wanted to know about my husband's professional life.
Yeah,
I'll tell you the date of birth.
yeah.
Yeah, 8 September
Okay,
1984,
okay.
5 a.m.
Place of birth.
Place of birth Nasik, Maharashtra.
Nasik. Pimpla, Nasik, Nasikpur, Nasik, Maharashtra.
Nasik Pimpla.
Okay, right. Nasik is coming. Okay.
Yeah, he's actually a doctor.
Okay.
I wanted to know whether we will have our own setup, our own nursing home. If it is yes, then when is
Yeah,
it possible?
Jupiter Dasha, Rahu Bhukti is going across. 543 is coming. Jupiter 4th house. Then after Jupiter, Saturn comes across. 2024 onwards.
Yes, sir.
2024 onwards. 2 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there, with 10 is there. On the hit theory front, there is also name with 3, 10, 6. 6th house gives lot of money. 10th house gives name. Excellent period. You people both can start your own beneficiary from 2024 onwards. For that, he has to wear permanently one middle finger mein golden hessonite, and he has to wear one 5-face Rudraksh. Okay?
Okay.
He will
Okay,
definitely
thank you.
accept. 24 onwards, you will build your own hospital or clinic, whatever you would prefer. Namaste. Hello, reduce your TV volume, please. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Tell me, sir, now.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
My name is Vasuki.
Yeah, tell me.
I wanted to know about my career.
Tell me your date of birth, sir.
21/3/1997,
Time of birth.
6:37 p.m.
Place of birth.
Chikmagalur, sir.
Question.
Sir, I completed my degree in engineering 2 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
but still I have not got any job, sir. so it's worrying me a lot. So
5 planets in your 7th house. So
Sorry, sir?
Sun, nothing. Sun Dasha is running
okay,
till November. Rahu, let us see. Sun 677, Rahu 1267. You are good at business, sir. You can do any business.
oh, shall I do business, sir? Even I was thinking about it.
Please do business. Go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Do some
I
something. I'll just suggest. Wait, 7 is there. After Sun, let me see. Moon 6-5 is there. Something like agriculture produce. Something like distribution. These 2 lines will help you. Not much of a issue. You can win. Lot of 7 combinations there. You are good at public relationship and public life. That is business. You have to get into this. There is no much hindrances except 2 planets, which is Moon and Mars. So just donate tur dal every Tuesday for next 3 months, and occasionally donate rice every Monday, because it is also having the number of 11. 11 is also there. Okay, 3, 8, 12 is very bad. Good combination. Yes, nice. You can go for business. Ensure that you do business with less minimal amount. You can do very well. Good luck, sir. Job difficult. Next. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. I'm calling from Chennai.
Yeah.
My date of birth,
Tell me.
20/02/1967.
20 February 1967.
67.
Time of birth.
11:58 p.m. night. 11:58.
Place of birth Chennai.
No, Madurai.
Madurai. Okay. What is the question, sir?
I want to know what is my Kula Deivam, because I am facing a lot of problems. Whatever the activity I do now, it is complete only 99.9%. It not reaches the 100. So when I check with that all astrology, they say that you have to go for a pray for the Kula Deivam. I am not aware of the Kula Deivam. I want to know the Kula Deivam, sir.
See, basically all the astrologer will talk in the same manner. In horoscope, Kuladaivam will be only seen by the 12th placement. Here Libra, which is Venus. Your Kuladaivam will be a female goddesses, okay? Goddesses, which we can call, okay? And related with Mars and Ketu attached to it. Mars and Ketu shows a remote village. In a city your forefathers born. So finding that is not an easy job. You are Kuladevam. So you have to select any goddesses in a remote village where people are performing some good rituals. Ensure that is your Kuladevam, because 12th house is the house of Kuladevam, your forefathers. The dead place, 12th house is the house of death. So Kula means your forefathers. 9th house is the father. But how to find the place, sir? They have left out.
Yeah.
Do you have a place where it is? How to find a place?
Whether I will able to find out the Kuladeva?
See, it's in a very remote small village, because Mars and Ketu shows a very small remote village, because Mars is a aggressive planet and it is also shows forest. Mars is a place of forest, because when you see this Narasimha Avatara, so which is related with Mars, shows that it is in the forest. Ketu is a tribal area. So in that area you have to find a goddesses, and if you want to know the direction from your birthplace, the Simha Rashi suggests east, south, west direction from your birthplace. West direction from your birthplace. Any western direction you have to try. It's not so easy to find out. We have to have a lot of finding Divya Shakti, everything should be there, but I can give a insight where exactly and find out. Just check your forefathers where all they were living in and around Madurai. If you are born in Madurai, if your forefathers are from Madurai city, just find out find out with their friends. Somebody would have been there. Some son or daughter would have been connected. You have to go in that way only, sir. But I can give you a clear picture on the western side. Good luck, sir. Anyway, west side, Madurai. Namaste.
Yeah, namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Sir, actually, my name is Jaspreet, and I'm calling from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Jamshedpur,
And
oh, great.
So I wanted to know about my career and future. Like, is there any chances like I can go to abroad or something?
Great. Please tell me your date of birth, details.
Yes, it is 21st October 1989.
Time of birth and place of birth.
It's morning 8:28 a.m.
Okay,
and,
place?
Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand, yeah. Let me look. Your ascendant is Pisces. Your moon sign is Leo with nakshatra Purva Palguni. Currently, you are running the dasha of moon, which is getting over by 2024. Let me see the sub period how is supporting for your plan. Till 2024, 1 November, then Ketu and Shukra. Now currently, oh, super sir, you have a wonderful horoscope with a lot of gains. Will it manifest for you to get into going abroad? Yeah, Shukra is giving you abroad, sir, with 3912. So you should try between 2021 November and 2023 July. That is the time you will be placed abroad. Let us see the dasha system. Is it supporting? To a very small extent it is supporting, but the next dasha is very strong in supporting because it has got 3-9 combination, which is travel, and Mars is giving 11 and 10. You will get you just try out in the management sector, sir. Any management sector.
Okay.
Any field will benefit you. So
sir.
your good time is already there, and you can benefit from this from post 2021 November within 2023 July. Good placement there, and you can go abroad, sir. There is no issue at all. 39. Good luck. Thank you. Marriage again. Okay. 1 second. Marriage is a different moon dasha. Surya. Venus is going across within 2023. Both will happen. Good luck. Both will happen. By 23 Fagend. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Tell me.
Nanna Magdalanu.
Yeah, tell me.
2001.
It is 1 January.
Yeah.
2001.
January 2001. 111.
Okay. 111. Good, sir. Time of birth.
Time of birth 4:25. Location Kadapa.
Morning, evening.
Morning. AM.
4:25. Okay. Place.
AM. Kadapa.
Kadapa.
Kadapa. Kadapa.
Andhra.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, got it. See, the ascendant is Scorpio. The moon sign is Aquarius, Kumbha Rashi. Nakshatra is Purva Bhadrapadam.
Purva Bhadrapadam.
Yes.
Correct.
Currently, daughter, right?
Daughter.
She is running Saturn Dasha. Under Saturn Dasha, the small bhukti with Shukra. What is the question, sir? Saturn.
Question is, she is actually, we have selected medical field for her.
She will definitely get through. Tell me.
3 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದು
she will do.
She wants to be a scientist research ಆ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ.
She will definitely go.
She will definitely go.
200% she will go.
ಅವಳದು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
See, when we see her dasha, which is Saturn. So if you just see here, can you able to see this picture?
Yeah, I can see on the TV channel.
Yeah, research field. Is it written there?
Where it is, it's more.
I have highlighted there.
Ha.
Okay. Updation will take time.
Okay. Research field, correct. Yeah, you have rated. Area of education, research field.
technical research field, and she will also be good in medical, surgeons. So all this will make her excel, and there is 11 very high chances where she will excel very well. Nothing to worry.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವಳದು ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ನನಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗಿ.
Nothing to worry, sir. You just give a call to our office. They will give one doctor number. She will cure in next 3 months. Nadi Aushadam will ensure. Good luck. Nothing will happen. Okay, time's up. Good call. So those who have just watched the program, kindly make up mind, at least to you to learn, or your daughter, son, to learn this subject. They can know their path, as I was telling, the user manual today. I am reading their user manual. I will ensure that they can understand their user manual and use themselves. Self-study kind of a thing. August 1st, the classes will be there. Hardly another 30 days from today. So kindly please register. The medium of instruction will be in English. And again, after August 16th, there is one more class that will be in Kannada language. Those who are from other places like Tamil Nadu, Chennai, the Andhra, then Kerala, somebody from Mumbai, Jamshedpur and all. Kindly, if you are looking for a good life, do learn this. Okay, all the best. Good luck. Good night. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.